So this is going to be a quick video based on Bitcoin mining. So we are going to create a Bitcoin miner using Python programming. So let's just get started with it. So firstly, we'll import a library called hashlib, and from hashlib we'll import SHA-256, which is used for Bitcoin minings usually. And then we are going to import time because we want to know in how much time does it take to mine a Bitcoin, and most likely it will be too hard to mine a bitcoin using like some 40-50 lines of code and without having a powerful gpu and stuff like that, but you can give it a try. So we're just going to create a max non-c. Non-c is the maximum number of iterations on the non-c. Non-c is basically just a number. If you're like crypto enthusiast, you will know that, but if you're not, then you can just go and read some documentations based on that. Then we are going to create the defining the hashing function, like the hashing functions, which will be one of the most important parts over here. So we'll just say define SHA-256, and inside the parameters we'll pass text. Okay, so once we're done with that, we'll just say return to SHA-256, return. Okay, this is the exact code that we want. So how do we take it? We'll just say control and the right arrow, and it will take everything. So let's just take it all. We'll just do that. Okay, perfect. So now we'll be mining the blocks. So this is where we will create exact our function, a function that will mine the blocks. So I will just say define my mine, and inside that will pass on block numbers, transactions, the previous hashes. Firstly, we'll just write the transactions with a correct spelling. And we'll just pass on the previous hash. Then we'll say prefix zeros, and then we'll write our function, which will be prefix str. Firstly, we'll define the prefix str, which will be 0 multiplied by prefix 0. Now we want a for loop. We want to run a for loop because we have too much non-Cs and we cannot take it like manually one by one by one by. So we'll run just a for loop for that. For non-C in range, max non-C, and then we'll just say text is equal to, okay, so just say text equals to str block number plus transaction, block numbers plus transactions. Okay, let's just say transactions plus, let's just say prefix hash plus, let's just say str non-c. Okay, perfect. Now we'll create a new variable, new hash 256 SHA-256 text will be our new hash. क्योंकि हमें we'll have a new hash once we are done with mining the Bitcoin. We'll have a new hash. No, not a Bitcoin. देखो बेसिकली होता क्या है, हिंदी भी आ जाता है. सो वंस यू हैव चेक्ड वन हैश, मतलब एक हैश को पूरा चेक कर लिया, अब वील नाउ गुड टू गो टू न्यू हैश, बिकॉज एक करके सारे हैशेस को हमें चेक करना है टू माइन अ पर्टिकुलर बिटकॉइन. एक ही हैश में बिटकॉइन होगा ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो वी नीड टू चेक अ लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ हैशेस. सो आफ्टर एवरी सिंगल हैश इज चेक्ड, हैश बदल जाता है, राइट? सो नाउ वील जस्ट, you can see on the screen how it is going. Return new hash. अभी what if we are failed to find that? So अभी एक exception run कर देंगे. अब raise base exception करेगा क्या कि max जो noise हमने define किया था ऊपर बहुत सारे जीरो वाला, वो 11 जीरो वाला. So in that case अगर हमारा सारा noise हो जाता है, मतलब इतनी बार हमने run कर लिया है and still we are not able to find the crypto, then it will raise the base exception error कि यार इतने टाइम रन कर लिया फिर भी नहीं मिल रहा, बिटकॉइन तेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It will print something like that. So once we're done with that, we'll just say name is equal to main, and inside that we'll define the transactions and the difficulties. Okay, main. Okay, so inside this we'll define the transaction into the triple quotes. Okay, so we'll just say player. ये नहीं चाहिए यार, ये गलत है. मतलब हो सकता है सही है, बट मेरे कोड में नहीं आता वो. So player 2 will be 200, and then there will be player 3 and player 4. We don't want it to get low. As time goes it need to increase यार. ये कम क्यों हो रहा है उसमें 100 क्यों दिखा रहा था. 450 होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Somewhere like 450. You can keep it to more also. Now we want to define the difficulty levels. Firstly is सबको capitalize कर दिया. Okay. Now we are going to define the difficulty. Difficulty will be 6. If you want to like difficulty increase कर दोगे तो यार mining का time भी बढ़ जाएगा. Try changing this to higher number and you will see it take more time for mining. मतलब 6 से ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया तो माइनिंग में भी ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. सो आई जस्ट राइट ओवर हियर बिकॉज सोर्स कोड आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. यू विल हैव दैट सोर्स कोड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन विच इज़ ऑन गिटहब राइट नाउ. प्रॉबेबली वीडियो ख़त्म होने के बाद वैसे मैं अपलोड कर दूँगा. एंड नाउ व्हाट डू यू वांट. चेकिंग द टाइम बाय द प्रोग्राम. मतलब प्रोग्राम कितना टाइम ले रहा है इसमें. सो नाउ विल जस्ट से चेकिंग द टाइम टुक बाय द प्रोग्राम. Okay, start is equal to time dot time. Then we'll just say print. We'll print something like mining शुरू हो चुकी है मामू. Start mining. Mining start हो चुकी है. Started mining. Then inside the new hash. The new hash होगा क्या? So we have basically defined that new hash will be SHA-256 text. But न्यू हैश माइन क्या करेगा. मतलब माइन किस में करना है, कहाँ से करना है, किस तरह से करना है, वो सब तो डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. सो आई जस्ट से 5 एंड देन देयर विल बी द ट्रांजैक्शन की विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी माई क्रिप्टो की. सो डिफ़िकल्टी इसमें पास कर देंगे. व्हाट हैपेंड. डिफ़िकल्टी यस वी पास्ड इन. सो नाउ व्हाट डू आई वांट इज़ द टोटल टाइम. द टोटल टाइम विच विल बी कैलकुलेटेड एज पर द टाइम टेकन फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. राइट. So time minus start. This is what total time taken is. So now at the end we'll just print end mining. Mining took some total time. कितना time गया mining में हमें. That is what we want over here. Total time in seconds. Then it will print the new hash. That's it. The program is completed. I'll just print my crypto key. I'll just get it. Okay, done. Here is my crypto key. You can see that. You can even use that. I just created it. Like temporary wallet एक नया बना लिया. इसमें से की मैंने निकाल ली. So I'll just run this program. I'll just say python mine.py and you can see start mining. कोई नहीं, बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है वैसे भी. So till then, with the hard work.